Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a Windows bootable USB directly from your mobile phone, fast, simple and fully updated for 2025. If your PC has no operating system installed and you can't access Windows, don't worry. You can still use this method to create a fully working bootable USB using just your mobile phone. No laptop, no computer, no complicated tools, just your phone and a USB drive. We'll cover everything step by step, so make sure you watch the video till the end to avoid any mistakes. Alright, let's get started. First of all, open any browser. Type Windows 11 ISO file and go to the official Microsoft website. Scroll down and select your Windows version. Now click Continue. Next, choose your language. Here is the download button. You have 24 hours to download this file before the link expires. Windows 11 is a large file of around 7 gigabytes, so make sure your mobile phone has enough free storage. After the download completes, open your file manager. In the Downloads folder, you will see the Windows 11 ISO file. Now connect your USB to your mobile using an OTG connector. You can easily find an OTG connector at any mobile shop. If you don't have a USB, you can use an SD card reader. It works the same. You can see here that my USB is connected. If you have any important data on your USB, back it up to your mobile first. Now open the Play Store and search for Ultimate USB. Install this app. Using this app, you can easily make your USB bootable. Once installed, open the app. The app will automatically detect your USB. You can see my USB is detected. From here, click the ISO burner option. Now tap the Pick ISO button and select the Windows 11 ISO file. Do not change any other settings. Simply click Start. This app requires coins to work, but don't worry. You don't have to pay anything. You can watch ads to get coins. Just watch 2 ads to get 2 coins. You can see I have 2 coins now. Click Start. This process may take some time, so be patient. Don't lock your mobile screen. It may interrupt the progress. Once the bootable USB is ready, go back and click the eject button to safely remove your USB. Now connect the USB to your PC. Press your boot key to open the boot menu. If you don't know your boot key, you can search for it on Google. Here, you can select Legacy Boot and choose USB storage. If your PC shows UEFI boot, then select your USB under the UEFI options. You can see the installation has started. If this video was helpful for you, consider subscribing and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.